Top AI tools to transform your workflow. AI is everywhere, automating tasks, creating art, writing content, and even predicting the future. But where do you start? In today's video, I'll show you the top AI tools and platforms that you can use no matter your skill level. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or a student, these tools can make your life smarter and easier. First up, AI tools for writing. ChatGPT by OpenAI is a game changer. Whether you need blog posts, essays, or social media captions, just type in a prompt, and ChatGPT does the rest. It's fast, easy, and free to start. If you're looking for something more professional, there's Jasper AI. Jasper takes it up a notch for businesses and marketers with templates that help you write high-quality content in minutes. Next, let's talk about AI tools for design, because not everyone is a graphic artist. Canva's Magic Studio lets you create stunning visuals, thumbnails, and even videos in minutes. Just describe what you want, and Canva's AI tools help you make it happen. Then there's DALL-E, an AI that generates images from text prompts. Want a futuristic Christmas card or unique artwork? Type in your idea and DALL-E does the magic. Moving on to AI tools for audio and voiceovers. If you need professional-sounding voiceovers, Murph.ai lets you generate them quickly. Choose different accents, tones, and styles. It's perfect for YouTube videos, ads, or presentations. Another tool is ElevenLabs, which creates super realistic human voices. You can even clone your voice with just a short recording. And finally, we have AI tools for automation. Zapier connects your favorite apps and automates repetitive tasks, like saving emails or sending notifications. It's like having a personal assistant working in the background. Then there's Notion AI, which helps you organize notes, summarize documents, and automate productivity so you can get more done. AI tools are changing the game for everyone. Whether you're a designer, creator, student, or entrepreneur, these platforms save you time, boost your creativity, and make your work smarter. Which AI tool are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more AI guides. See you in the next one. Top AI tools to transform your workflow.